What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be changing the oil on a Toyota Tacoma, Tundra, 4runner, T100 truck. It's all going to be the same thing. The engine is the 5VZ-FE Toyota V6 3.4 liter. Alright, let's go ahead and put the emergency brake on good and tight. Then we're going to chalk the tires real good. So it's best to have your engine warmed up so the oil will drain faster and more of that dirty oil will come out. So we'll go ahead and slide underneath here. And the oil drain bolt is right here in the center. It's a 14 millimeter. Go ahead and crack that loose. Drain it out. Alright, now once it comes to a drip, we can put that drain bolt back in. Go ahead and put a new crush washer on there if the old one is all worn out. And we can go ahead and snug it down. Make sure it's good and tight so it gets a good seal. You don't need to over tighten it and strip it out. Alright, then we'll go ahead and slide the pan over a little more to the driver's side. And over here on the driver's side, this white filter right there, that's your oil filter. You're going to need some big channel lock pliers like this or an oil filter wrench. We'll go ahead and loosen up that oil filter. Just crack it loose and then we should be able to spin it off the rest by hand. There we go. Pour out the filter. Go ahead and make sure this black gasket came off with your old filter. You don't want to double gasket the new gasket. We're going to take our new oil filter. Then just dip your finger in and we'll just get a little bit of fresh oil and we're going to rub that around the new gasket. That's going to help seat it and seal it and also make it easier to take off next time. And let's take our new filter. We'll screw it on just hand tight until it seats and give it a few turns. You don't need to use the wrench on this. Alright, then we'll go ahead and take our oil cap over here on the right driver's side, put a funnel in. And if you're wondering what grade oil, go ahead and just check the oil cap. It'll say the oil grade. If it's not there, it's always going to be in your manual, as well as the capacity. This car, the Tundra, takes 5.2 quarts. Go ahead and pour that in. Don't forget to recycle your old used motor oil and filter. Most auto stores will take it for free. Yeah, right, then we can put our oil filler cap back on. And we can go ahead and pull our dipstick, wipe it off, stick it back in and pull it out again, and it should be right there in between those two little circles or at the top. Put it back in. So don't forget to put a note of when you change the oil so you know when to do it next. Alright guys, and that is how to change the oil on your Toyota 5VZ-FE. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. Helps me a lot, and click the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.